Hello my friends, this is Jeannie. Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I am going to do an unboxing. I purchased the Simon Says stamp kit for the month of September. I love the September release because it had sunflowers, so I decided to purchase the kit. It is a good bang for your buck. I find that their kits tend to be very good buy. For the price that you're paying, you get a lot. So, of course, I'm going to share with you what I got this month for those who may be interested in knowing what the kit is all about. The kit comes with a page which has some projects that were made by their design team members, kind of like a source of inspiration, if you will. It also includes at the bottom a list of all of the items that are included in your kit. For this particular month, we have 2 stamp sets, both of them 6x8. One is called Sunshine Flowers, and the other is called Sunflower Garden. That's the one that did me in, Sunflower Gardens. You're also getting a Happy Birthday die cut. You're getting a craft glue stick. You are getting 6 double-sided sheets of a 6x6 paper pad called the 4 Seasons. You will also be getting 1 sheet of the Tim Holtz Ideology Sentiment Label stickers, 8 rolls of the Tim Holtz Ideology design tape called Rose. You also get 1 bottle of the Ranger Liquid Pearls and 1 each of the Simon Says Stamp 100-pound cardstock in the colors Dull Pink, Green Leaf, and Sunshine, as well as 1 sheet of the Nina 110-pound Solar White cardstock. Also included in the kit are 1 each of the Simon Says Stamp A2 envelopes in metallic green leaf, dull pink, and white. Here is the Tim Holtz washi tape that was included. Love that. I mean, what's not to love about Tim Holtz washi tape, period? And the fact that you get a pack, an entire roll, 8 pieces, is awesome. Here is the glue stick. I have used their glue sticks in the past. I don't know if this is like a new formula. It is ultra smooth, so I will definitely be checking that out. I do have a lot of liquid pearls in my stash. I don't think that I have this copper one, so excited. And that is just fantastic and perfect for the center of the stem flowers. Here is the die cut Happy Birthday. Can never have too many of those. The envelopes are beautiful. Have that awesome, look at the green. Has a beautiful metallic shine to it. Then you have the pink and the white. Here is that 1 sheet of the labels, and they are perfect. Happy birthday, celebrate, eat cake, birthday wishes, thanks, thank you friend. So these are easy to use in projects. Sentiments we all tend to use on a regular basis. Here is the 4 Seasons Summer P13. Is that the company that put this out? Paper pad. You get 6 sheets of this. It's double-sided. It's beautiful. Isn't it beautiful? I might have to investigate this pad further. Maybe get an entire pad of this. Isn't it gorgeous? Here are the cut-aparts. I'll flip it over and do the other side. So it looks like you have, you know, some solids, some beautiful patterns. I recently saw a video by Vicky Papayanu. I hope I pronounced her name correctly. where she made cards using just this paper pad and the sentiments, the sticker sheet from the kit, and her cards turned out absolutely gorgeous. And then here are the stamp sets. Beautiful. This one is the Sunshine Flowers. And how gorgeous. And then this is why I bought the kit. I mean, I loved everything about the kit. It was a good value, but this is beautiful. This one is called Sunflower Garden. All of these items you can purchase individually at simonsaysstamp.com. But as I said, I could have just bought this by itself, but I really did like both stamps, and I loved the package as a whole, and I thought it was a good value, so I just went ahead and purchased the kit. I might have to go to their website and see about getting the coordinating die cuts for that. And then here is the cardstock. I love Simon Says cardstock. It's a very good quality. Colors are beautiful. Beautiful. And then here is the 110 Nina White. Nina in the color Solar White. So that is the kit. I am happy I purchased it. It's been a while since I purchased a kit from them. So that is my share, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. I truly do appreciate you. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. I would love to have you. And if you are subscribed, make sure to activate that notification bell so that you're notified anytime I post a new video. I will catch you in the next video, my friends. Until next time. Bye-bye.